Hey, what's up everybody? This is WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the iBlason Cosmo case and the AmorBox case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Really quick, if you find that my content is interesting, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to continue to receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, today we're going to talk about the Cosmo case by iBlason for the Z Fold 4. All right, let's get this popped open. Now, this video may be a little offbeat because I'm doing a voiceover. For some reason, I lost my audio, the original audio, when I recorded this. So if it seems a little off, my voice is not matching what's on the screen, that's because of the voiceover. And I wanted to hurry up and get this out without any more delays. So hopefully you can still enjoy this and get my message and enjoy the review. All right, so what I'm about to do right now, of course, is just remove the film and then go ahead and open up the phone and then drop or pop on the front cover first. Just pop that on really quick. All right, and I like this case because it's crystal clear, so you can see the beauty of the phone. And you will see that once this is placed on there. But open up the S Pen door just like that before you put the back on. Pop it in place. And you should be good to go. Just like that. And of course, the last thing you need to do is just drop your Z Fold Edition S Pen right inside there. And then boom, now you can take it everywhere you go and not worry about it getting lost. Really nice. And it also has ease access to pop it out. There's a little hole right there. Just pop your finger or press your finger there. And then the S Pen will come right on out. Just like that. Do what you have to do. Take your notes or whatnot. And then just pop it right back in there. So very convenient case, and you get full protection, hinge protection, and it even has a screen protector. I'll show you that in a moment. But with that S Pen hinge protection right there, it gives you better grip of the phone. I know I have a big hand, but even someone with smaller hands will be able to hold the fold while it's open easily because of that S Pen compartment or door in the back. So pretty dope. You can see the buttons there, the volume rocker. And then of course the fingerprint reader / power button, easy access. And the camera is definitely protected, or the lenses are definitely protected. You can see those bottom cutouts there. And nice and smooth on this side, of course. And this case has a nice grip to it. It's not slippery. So again, easy to hold and comfortable to hold. All right, that's the iBlason Cosmo case for the Z Fold 4. And of course, test wireless charging. Let's get that sweet spot. And boom, there you have it. All right, so definitely nice case, all around case that allows wireless charging. And I'm happy with that one. Now this one is called the AmorBox case for the Z Fold 4. All right, so it's going to remove all of the material here. Get all this out of the way. Now this case does have adhesive strips, but I'm not going to use it because I believe that this case will hold on to the phone nice and tight and snug. So I don't think we're going to have that issue, but you do have that option if you need it. Let's go ahead and remove all this film here again on both sides. All right, you can see again on the Cosmo case screen protector, you can see that cut out in the front for the camera. So right there, very nice. Remove this last piece here. Let's go ahead and get the phone ready. All right, so of course, let's open up the door again for that S Pen. Pop on the back. And then of course, we're gonna do the front cover as well. Again, make sure that's open or you're gonna have a hard time trying to get that on there. Make sure that stays right open just like that. Pop that in. You should be good to go. Nice and comfortable to hold. Definitely feeling this case here. And it's not heavy feeling as well. Got the power fingerprint reader and then the volume rocker on that side. And of course that's the hole for the S Pen, so that way you can easily take it out. Just pop it in there. Close the door, you're good to go. Nice and easy. And then if you want to take it out, put your finger there, pop it out. All right. And this case has the reinforcement grip on the sides. Now, as you can see here, you got the screen protector, as I mentioned earlier, and it cut out for the camera. So this case gives you all around protection as well. And of course, that camera or your camera lenses are protected as well. Look how deep that is. So you know you're going to be protected there. Your camera lenses will definitely be protected. You can lay this on any flat surface and not have any issues there. Okay. You can see the bottom cutouts there and the top cutouts. All right. Nice grippy case. You got your kickstand in the back. All right, so nice addition for this case. Full protection all around, and you get a kickstand. What else do you need? What else do you need? All right. Now, of course, standing up that way, it's going to work as well. But if you were to stand it up tall, it won't be able to stand that way. And of course, this has wireless charging too. So, well, it allows wireless charging. All right, pretty dope case. So all in all, these cases are great. If you're interested in any one of these cases, of course, I'll have a link in the description section of this video. This completes my review for the iBlason Cosmo and AmorBox case for the Z Fold 4.